Good morning, guys. Alright, I just accepted my second order for Hannaford. It was like $7 and change, and it's only going less than a mile. So we got our order. Okay, we're gonna head out. See you later. Hi, guys. Alright, so I am at McDonald's. I just picked up an order for like $6. It is driving 9 miles, but I just started Uber Eats, so I was hoping that they would add something onto that. Okay, I just finished shopping for 2 customers. I'm gonna go to cash out now. Ice cream. I like to put the A order in the top if it's small, and the B order back here. Alright, catch you guys later. Bye.